Okay, everybody, this is my, well, it's not my first time on a bicycle. Come on, everybody does that. We got two to choose from. Three, whatever the hell that one is. That one's got 8 miles. I mean, I'm only going one, but that one's got 13 miles. They both look pretty beat up. Let's do this one. Scan the button. Hello. Okay, we have our bike. We got our notification. We are literally going to go up Grove all the way to the Painted Ladies. Turn left on Webster. Here, let's see how dangerous this can be. Okay, dudes. We're gonna try something a little different today. Get you locked in. Alright, that feels good. Good torques. Huh? Clear out the old snit hole. It's like a very bicycle-friendly road. I'm amazed at the amount of people that frickin' still smoke. Like, what's your problem still? It's frickin' 2025, man. Oh, there's a Symphony Hall to my left. Uh-oh. We're gonna run a red light here. Hold on. Frickin' made it. On a bike. So yesterday it cost me $9 to ride a bike, and the day before was $8 to ride a bike. So today I'm trying to get it to 6 maybe, if I can hit some freaking green lights. I think this guy wants to race me. He's deep staging right now. If you don't know what that is, YouTube it. Oh, here he is. Yeah, he's totally deep stage. So he's on the line. Go. Oh, my bike just totally crapped out on me. All right, let's do this. See, if you're on a scooter, you don't stop for shit. If you're a bike, you gotta kind of stop. You know, at least make it look like you're stopping. Well, I guess bikers don't. Hell, I'm a biker now. I'm a mosquito. We call them mosquitoes. PJ's is to my right. Meaty! You better learn how to parallel park if you're in this town. That's all you ever frickin' do. Alright, there should be a little rack around here somewhere. Oh! I took a left and I should have took a right. Okay, I just break the law a little bit here. Listo.